So let's start actually looking into how to actually create code, and I'm going to go back into my code editor, and in my code editor, which is what we call where we retype our code as the code editor. What I want to do is I want to create a first simple, really simple HTML file, and the way it works is really simple. And let's even take a step back and talk about. We're talking about that there's titles and websites. So if I go back into our browser samples, you have your title. You see learning better is better, and then there's a paragraph underneath it that's smaller. And as we scroll around, you see that some titles are smaller and some are bigger, and some have links and some have images. Now, how does the program know where a title starts and where a title ends? Basically, that's where HTML comes in, and where HTML defines the starting place of a title and the ending place of a title, the starting place of anything really, and the ending place of anything. Now, to do that, there's basically a very simple rule that is always applied in every single thing you're going to learn from now on. You have a curly bracket, and then you have the name, and then you have a closing curly bracket. And that literally tells the program, from here, this is the beginning of something. This is going to be the name. So for example, let's say there was a title that's called P, which is a paragraph. So now you know that a paragraph just started, and we could type here things. Whatever we want, we type, we're happy. Oh, this is shit. Oh, that's not a good idea, right? This is
Then I
great.
teach you better than that.
Very better, yes. So this is basically, now our only problem now is, okay, so we started a paragraph. We know how to create a paragraph. How do we know how to end a paragraph? And that's where closing tags come in, and it's a really critical skill to know, because without it, you're going to create broken pages. You have to be able to tell the browser, whatever I want starts here, whatever I want stops there. So if to say it, we just basically close the tag by using the, what do you call that sign?
Slash,
I guess, right? So you just you basically take the same tag as for opening, you just close it with a slash before the actual name of the tag.
Okay.
Now, if I save this and I go into my browser, we'll see that already now, if we go into that page again and click on refresh, we'll see that things this great. Oh, that's a beautiful sentence. Things this great. Yeah. I'm so shocked by the beauty of that sentence. So, so what do you think about that so far?
Okay, I got it.
Okay?
Not too hard.
Not too bad.
No.
So there's opening tags and there's closing tags.